Hello, how are you? My name is Liz and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be recreating this look. I will insert a picture, hopefully, of how I did this, but with only oil face paints. And then this is the version where I actually put stuff on my face. I will show you in this video. It's Vaseline and flour, pretty basic if you don't have latex and you don't have glue, which I didn't have. This is another alternative. Most of the times you do have Vaseline and flour, so that's what I had. This is fake blood, just saying, if anybody's wondering. The first part of this video is actually going to be the makeup portion of it, and then the second part of this video is going to be the gore version. But they will all be in the same video, don't worry. And I hope you guys like it. Alright, starting with the makeup portion. We're going to start with some concealer. Just conceal your eye bags, any dark spots, and all that jazz. Alright, next up is foundation. Now you're going to see that everything is kind of too light on me, but it's okay because once we put contour and blush and all that, it'll kind of just blend into my skin more. Next up is cream contour, and just contour any place that you just kind of want to define more. So I put it on my cheekbones, on my forehead, and on my chin. Alright, as you can see from here, I use eyeshadows as contour, blush, and highlighter. Makeup has no rules. Use whatever you can, and I just happen to use eyeshadows. Next up is eyeshadow. Oh my god, I'm just watching Criminal Minds, sorry. But basically just put eyeshadow. Use neutral colors, mostly browns, and do a cat eye type of shape, elongate the eyes. Alright, so instead of doing an actual cut crease, you kind of just want to do the same shape you were doing with the eyeshadow. You don't want to do a complete cut crease. You don't want to make it too defined. You just kind of want to give the illusion that the eye is wider and has this type of cat eye look. Same concept with the eyeliner, just want to elongate your outer and inner corners. So as you do a long wing and then the inner corners. Instead of using latex, I used about 3 scoops of Vaseline and flour until you get not a sticky consistency. You don't want to make it stick to your fingers, but you don't want to make it too dry. And then apply that to your skin like so, and just blend it in more to your skin. So you can actually map out where you want your cuts beforehand, but I just kind of freehanded it and put the cuts where I already knew I wanted them, and just blend everything in, put foundation, put powder, and so it matches your skin more, and then make little insertions or cuts in the middle of it to make it look like there's an actual cut. And then you're going to blend in black to these cuts in just the middle of it. You don't want to put it all over, just in the cut inside. And then you're going to blend in some darker colors. So that's actually a purple, it's not a black. You're also going to want to use greens and blues, which I'll use in there too. The only colors that I use inside of the cuts are black and red. And then just shade in and highlight also to make them more realistic. Alright, now to my favorite part. You want to put fake blood inside the cut and also just spray it a little bit on the outer parts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I promise I'll upload at least once a week. I hope you enjoy this video and see you next week.